Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. It's always great to see other EV brands being adopted in Hong Kong and not just Tesla. I've seen a few Kia EV6s recently, which are really nice cars. But because of the context in spotting these EV6s, they have given me a negative impression about the type of drivers who own Kia EV6s. Please take a look at my 3 examples. First example.
Chinese New Year. Got EV6. Park here.
Second example.
This place is always a popular place for people to park. The police have already issued parking tickets for this Kia EV6. This is the Kia EV6. It's a nice car. Owners have probably just parked here, obviously illegally. They've been ticketed by the police. This is such a tempting place to come and park your car and to go for a walk along Hong Kong's famous waterfront. More cars try to park, but then they see the police.
Third example. This is the Western Harbour Tunnel from Kowloon side going towards Hong Kong Island. The driver of this brand new yacht blue EV6 is straddling across 2 lanes, and there is no signal to indicate which lane the driver wants. There is obviously more space on the outer lane, but what does the EV6 driver do? This very small sample of new EV6 owners gives me a really poor impression of these owners. In fact, my continuing concern is that owners of new EVs, regardless of the brand, need to seriously improve their driving attitude and driving experience. The police and transport department will definitely not help, so perhaps there is a business opportunity for the automakers to provide driving lessons to their new clients who buy EVs. Happy to hear your thoughts, so please comment below. Thanks for watching and stay safe.